Oh, hi there. So today we're going to install a
Airaid.
We're going to remove the entire factory air cleaner assembly from the vehicle. Sick. Yeah, we're not going to use this anymore. So it usually has a factory air box right here, but since we put the slosh tubs, it's not there no more, but it's a 13mm to take it off. So now we're going to take the studs off, the stock studs off. They provide you with the S-shaped stud. So what you want to do is put it right between the middle. Just thread it in. We're going to the side where the oil dipstick is at. So you want to take, we already loosened it, but you want to take the bolt off, which is holding it to the block, which is, what size is it? 3/8. Take your little bolt, keep it right here, and they provide you with this bracket. Leave it loose a little bit. That way when we put the intake, we have some play. So next what you want to do is put the grommet on the hat, and then your little L-shaped elbow, and then your little hose that they provide, and your little clamps. And you want to put it on the throttle. So now you want to put your vent line to your elbow in the back, and you want to grab your little plastic clips they provide you with and just tighten them.
There's two.
Yes, there's two. I just kind of hard. It's kind of hard back here. So now you want to grab your air intake tube, put it to the hat, and then kind of move it, line it up to that bracket we put next to the dipstick, and then we're gonna grab our bolt and nut that go through here. That's funny. Alright, so you want to put your air filter, and there's a metal line right here, so you want to make sure that's facing down. Slide it in. Now you just want to go ahead and tighten all your clamps and your dipstick, bolt, and that'll be it. We're going to go ahead and do that.